You better not type. You better not type in the chat because if you type this in the chat, you will get kicked off again. And I am not putting this as a fail video again. Boy, stop jumping around. Boy. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. No, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Okay. Yeah, I won't stop, boy. I won't stop. I'm going to chase you down. I'm going to chase you. I'm going to throw you out the window. I'm going to throw you out the window. You don't know how to swim neither. Come on. Come on, boy. You think you can actually do it? You think you can actually do it? Come on. You think? It's 360. It's 360. Did we just do a barrel? Thank you. You're correct. Open the door! Open the door! The bear! The bear! I don't know. Oh my god. Oh. What are you guys doing there? Not. Should I take that? Not. Can I take that? It said not. Gotta steal some stuff.
I got it.
Oh wait, you got it? You got it, huh? You got it. Why can't I not take it, huh? Why can't I not take it? Hey, press on the dot.
Yeah, you dot on it.
Oi! I got it.
Nobody cares.
Oh wait, there's another one. Trust. What? Ooh. More. Give me more. Give me more. But there is something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets very mad easily. Please do everything we said. Do not cause any trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost yeah, the president should be almost ready. Why don't you guys just grab a glass of water while we wait? Jeremiah, you stupid fool! I mean, I wanted milk anyways. Look at this mess. The president gonna be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess up, or else we'll have to lock Jeremiah inside a room for the rest of the flight. Hey, you cannot put Jeremiah inside a room. You cannot do that. I'll slap you with this broom after picking up the dirt from this. Take it. Oh, wait, he actually took it from me. Give it back so I can kill you. Hey, what do you mean you hate water? I hate taking a bath and shower.
I'll try to
That's the president.
I'm not cooking it.
That the president. He looked very pink today. He looked just like Dallas. Dallas, is that you? Dallas, is that you?
Like cooking.
Dallas, you. I'll go up. Let me leave.
I want to leave that dog right now.
Build out brick wall. What? I'm sorry. It's the habit. Oh, okay. Nobody cares.
There's that big wall.
Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Yeah, I don't like it. Very terrible. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of the Ronald McDonald. Is that what you're just going to say?
Yeah, I'm still calling one.
You must know you are heroes. We have a delicious meal prepared for the special moment. If we're heroes, why you were trying to lock Jeremiah inside the room for the rest of the flight, huh? Respect us, okay? The food is not ready yet. What? Throw that chef off the plane. No, you're gonna kill him! We will take care of. No, you won't. No, you won't. No, you won't. Excuse me. Do I look like a good chef? It looked like I will slice your head off with my thing, my weapon. I don't even know how to cook. See, even myself inside the game saying that. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'll throw you out of the plane too. Oh, how about I'll cook you? How about we'll eat you up inside the kitchen? I'll cook you right now. Hey. Dude, get me out of here so I can get him. I'll put poison in your food. Somebody help me, trap me in here. Yo, fine, whatever. I'll cook. I'll cook. Somebody, trust me, I got this. Alright, now alright, so now, yeah, okay. We're gonna need banana. Give me the banana. Give me the banana. Banana. And then we're gonna need pepper. This is pepper. Pepper. And then we're gonna need fish. Ah, yes, fish. This ain't fishy now. This is very fishy. Cabbage. Then we're gonna need some grapes. Great. Alright, and put a little bit of cockroach in it. Aw, yeah.
I'm not eating that.
Put some mosquitoes in it.
I'm not eating that shit.
Put some ramen noodles in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Like cooking.
Oh yeah, he said look delicious. Everybody sit down. Alright. Okay. Well, I'm not eating it. I'm just gonna go out the window. Just like I to you, President. You think you can throw us out the window? That's my idea, not your idea. Enjoy. You're saying enjoy like you make it. You forced me to make it. Who put grapes inside a food thing?
I didn't eat it.
Grape, cabbage, fish, pepper, banana? What kind of meal is that? That ain't soup. This ain't soup. I can literally do something better than that. That ain't soup. That is just, you're just throwing random stuff in it. That is not soup.
That's not soup. That's food.
Yes, it is poop. Yep, it is poop. It looked like poop. Wait, go to the computer room, he said. Well, screw that. Oh, okay, well, I'm going backwards. Oh, well, okay. We use this room to, allow. I can't read! In order to protect the president, we need to have a secret code that unlock the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Good luck. Easy, 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 just spam, spam, easy, easy, just spam. See, easy, easy. We'll break inside the president room. You really need to work on that code. Yeah, you guys really do. Haunted. You found a key? Why you found a key? Oh, why we got teleported? What you watching on YouTube? What you watching on YouTube there? He playing Minecraft. You know what to do, Jeremiah. He playing Minecraft, Jeremiah. You know what to do. Yeah. Yes. Yes. It's over.
I found it.
Oh, well, great job. You found the key, so we can go inside the bedroom. Come on, let's open up the door. Let's open up the door. Oh my god. Oh, this is one bed. Hey.
I'm sleeping on the floor.
No, I'm sleeping on the floor.
Yay!
What do you mean, yay? I always sleep on the floor. I don't even sleep on my bed at night.
I'm sleeping right here.
I sleep on the floor every day. Yes, I do. I literally slept on the floor last night at your house, Jeremiah. What do you mean what I did? I literally lived there.
So I stay at my house.
Because I'm confused. I'm confused. And you know this already.
Do not.
I want me milk. They never gave me milk. It's nighttime already, and I still haven't got my milk that they would say I can't get. Why can't I get my milk? Oh wait, I see a person, but I don't care. I don't care. Guys. Guys, the curtains. What about the curtains? Oh! Oh! Jeremiah, the curtains is... Jeremiah, run! We gotta get out here! We gotta get out here! It's a demon! It's a demon! I knew the president was sus! Let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out, let me out! Fire! Fire! Get me out of here! Run! Run! It's coming! Oh, oh, ah, 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 oh, in here, in here. Yes. Oh, no. Up, parkour. This is parkour. I swear to God, you don't make this jump. I swear to God, you don't make this jump. You better get up here before we die. I'm staying up here. This is the high ground, and the high ground is much safer than the low ground, okay? There's a demon right there. If the demon comes through that door, I would jump on his head and dip. And then Jeremiah will jump down and kick his ankle, make him fall and break it. And then we'll run for our life, get the parachute, and jump out of here. Or we can just die. Or we can just die. This is a screw up. We can just die. We're going to die. You see this? We're going to die. We're going to die, Jeremiah. You see this fight? We're going to die. We're going to die. It's the end of us. We're going to die. R.I.P. R.I.P. the gamers. Oh. The fire is gone. What is happening? What is happening? Can we leave this, please? Don't answer. Don't answer. Do not answer. Oh God. Do not answer. I swear to God, if you pick up that phone, I will slap you. I will slap you. And
Hello?
no, you do not pick up it. No, I tell you, this is bad. This is bad. Crap! I picked it up on accident. Oh my God. Are you a nice person? You're new. You're new, okay? Yeah, you don't say. Really? I can tell you much. Wait, I can't tell you much through the phone. You guys need to come to me. Yeah. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I'll try to unlock. Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might still be out there. So we're just gonna call it monster and not demon. Okay, you guys are very just call it monster, okay? You will not escape this time. Mwahahaha. Yeah, keep on laughing. Keep on laughing. We'll escape. 1 minute to dodge this guy. How he went behind us. Dude. Oh no. Hey, can't wait for Jeremiah. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh. Hey, come on, follow me. Just don't come close to Jeremiah. Oh no, he's right behind you. He's right behind you, Jeremiah. He's right behind you. Oh my God. Come on. This way. Come on. We're going back. Oh my God. Alright. Maybe we can go inside the bedroom and dodge him. He TP right in front of me. He used the teleport powers. Boy, come on, through the door, Jeremiah, through the door here, through the door. Oh my God, we survived. Hey, got the last paper. Oh. God, it turned it black. Do not trust him. He is haunted. Oh God. What do you mean he is haunted? Who?
I have 6 papers. How much papers you got did
I got 7. It made I don't know actually. I don't know. The good news is I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Your point is, why should we care? He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. If there was something about planes, he was always so obsessed with planes in a scary way. he liked to read news about plane crash. So he had no friends and nobody liked him. So like so he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died in a heart attack. His spirit still chase people like you guys because he blamed you for his death. No, we can be friends. We can be friends. I know the past is bad, but we can be friends. Like me and Jeremiah could change him, right? Right, Jeremiah? We can make friends. Even though he's dead, we can still make friends. We can still be friends. Even though you tried to kill us, we still be friends. Yep. Take this gun. Oh. No. Okay, I'll take it. You're too young to have a gun. Yeah. No, Jeremiah. Ah. No, I will do it, Jeremiah. I will do it, okay? Alright, Jeremiah. I'm going to do it, okay? I'm dancing. Okay. Okay, now listen here. Okay, listen. I got me a gun. I will not. Listen, I got the gun. I got it. I am flying with it. What do you mean? What am I doing? You said, hey, no. I'm looking at you, Mr. President. You said you'll throw off the plane, huh? Did you do that to the chef, huh? You made me cook. Boy. Hey, you supposed to be dead, huh? I put poison inside that soup. You're making a huge mistake. Well, you are a mistake. Which one should I shoot, Jeremiah? Which one should I shoot? It's all up to you. Which one should I shoot? Actually, screw it. President, you're going to die, boy. You're going to die for trying to throw us off the plane. Boom. Yeah, that's right. I don't trust any of you guys. Yeah, that's right. Like I said. You made a huge mistake. Oh yeah, well what are you gonna do about it? Call FBI, huh? How are you gonna do? Call FBI?
Yeah, are you gonna call FBI?
Oh crap, he was a monster. Jeremiah, I'm out of bullets. Jeremiah, it was you. I'm out of bullets, Jeremiah. Give me some ammo fast. He about to blow up the plane! He's going to blow up that plane! Only you guys are the real monsters! Well, you know what? I don't care. I still got my Reaper staff thing. No, wait, the plane going down. Oh, okay. No. I know. We all died. No. The president was sus, though. He was sus. Jeremiah. Boy, he was sus. That boy was sus. He was sus. Oh my god, he did it. Oh wait, Jeremiah, I found the first one.
I did too. And I found the dirt one. I kinda want this.
Ooh.
J-Ron, can we do the dirt one first?
Do the third one?
Yeah.
Too bad, I'm already on the first one. Plus, I'm going to end the video.
And then start it back.
What?